we're gonna be having a crazy ass case battle today. It's gonna be me, PSP1G, Arrow, Doo-Wop, and Jesus. Did I say Jesus? I think I did. I don't know. I say Jesus again. We're gonna be 5 people total, 300 kilowatt cases each. It's gonna be 1,500 cases in a battle. And I actually forgot to mention, but this is the second one of these huge multi-creator case battles that we do live on stream. So if you want to see them live the next time we do one, then check out my Twitch channel. And of course, before we jump into the case battle, I want to thank today's sponsor, which is Skinport. Now, if you don't know what Skinport is, they're a CS2 marketplace where you can buy and sell your CS2 skins safely for real money. And on Skinport, there's no fee for buying skins. So say you wanted to buy this Bayonet Tiger Tooth on Skinport, it's listed right now for 450 euro. Meanwhile, on Steam, it would cost you almost 600 euro, which is a very big difference. And they have 4.9 stars on Trustpilot. They have over 1.6 million CS2 skins listed, which is absolutely mind-blowing. And if you sell skins, your payouts are also sent in your local currency with many countries supported. So if you want to try out Skinport to buy and sell skins, then please do so from the link in the description. And thank you once again for sponsoring this video.
Wait, I want to ask, how is it going to work with the case unboxing? Whoever earns the most, or like has the like a most like, you know, wins, gets, like takes it all?
Is that like autistic thing? Yeah, exactly.
Heads up, guys. I have to do this unboxing really fast because I got to go to a Twitch Rivals in like 50 minutes.
How y'all doing?
Does Arrow know that you're in a hella hurry or no? Because I see him, he's just on his stream pondering over how he's gonna change his fucking layout.
Yeah, apparently he's talking to his doctor or something.
He just gets a call live now that he's got AIDS. You need to be quarantined. Okay, everyone ready? 3,
Let's get it.
2, 1. Let the case battle commence, baby!
Maxwell,
Oh, pink! First case pink! Middle
What?
where?
Bro, on the first case, there's actually no... I hate Jesus, bro. There's no way.
Peace in a hurry. Let's go,
I
guys.
rented. Oh my! I actually
Gold.
I'm gonna rub my grenade for good luck.
Wait, what?
Don't
Hikes on the front line be like.
Oh, pink!
No way.
Minimal wear jawbreaker.
I have opened 700 kilowatt cases and I haven't gotten cucked a singular time. Oh my god! No way! Oh, let's go!
No way! No way! Arrow, what the fuck? No! And it's vanilla!
What case?
$580.
Oh my god. I swear, it wasn't the doctor who called you. It was Gabe Newell, bro.
That was the 5th case.
No way. Bro, fuck off.
hell.
Arrow, when me and Fury pick you up in Amsterdam, we're stealing your authenticator, bro. You best believe.
Damn right. Hey.
A pink. We'll take it.
Okay,
Oh no! I got baited by the AWP. Are you kidding me?
Get us in.
Oh, third pink.
Oh, pink!
Yeah.
Oh, Black Lotus.
Bro, I've gotten only blues, basically.
$15, man. Fuck.
I'm almost done with the first 20, man.
Is anyone else here like extremely due?
So delusional.
More now.
Go green!
I didn't get a
No
goal.
way! No way! No way! No way! No!
That was a fade. That was a
No way! Arrow!
Look at the date.
Bro! No! My ass was about to fall out. I just like to let everyone know that even if we unbox a StatTrak AK Inheritance Factory New, it's not as much as Arrow's knife.
I'm actually gonna rent it because think about it. You rented it and
Yeah.
you got gold.
Hold on,
I
I'm gonna
rent
try
it.
renting it as well.
Yeah, I'll rent it as well. Boom.
Now it should be gold. I got a pink. I was literally scraping the monitor. Holy
much
shit.
is that?
Arrow, you're welcome.
So on edge right now that someone's gonna go, oh.
It's gonna be me in a sec.
Someone's gonna turn into a chihuahua.
A red.
No,
Cannon.
nope.
That's a nice donation to Arrow.
Yeah, so I'm soon 60 deep and I haven't gotten jack shit yet.
Last opening it was like this for us too, right?
Do we just suck? Oh, my first pink! Yippee! Battle scarred! Ah, yes!
Just in the fucking ocean of motherfucking blues right now. Oh my god, I love this.
You have now the stress of opening all the cases in time for when you have to leave and the stress of losing.
Yeah, well, two bad things make a positive. So when you think about it, honestly, W's in the chat.
Oh, my second pink,
Another
Black
pink.
Lotus. Okay. Now, but listen, it's 1,500 cases. We're due... Yo, up! No! Fuck! I was so happy and then I got sad! You hurt my roller coaster! Oh no, field tested up Chrome Cannon. I'm getting this shit back in blood at Cologne. Guys, okay, let's predictions. Do you guys think we're getting an update soon or no?
No.
You'd be
Nothing
excited.
huge.
No!
PSP got the up!
I mean, it's already going better than last time.
Oh,
Whenever we would do
inheritance,
the
inheritance,
unboxing.
inheritance.
Huge.
Minimal wear, minimal wear. I've got a shot. I've got a shot. If I get it gold, I've got a shot.
Do you know how I got this money there for these cases? I literally like I sold a bunch. Oh, I got pink. I sold a bunch of like Rio 2022 like investments. Oh, back to back. Star Trek Factory, you Black Lotus.
No, wait, that's actually like worth
Ooh,
something.
Oh,
It's $60. Wait, so it's like
Okay,
an
wait.
Calm
$80.
down, bro.
PayPal is signing me out. It wants me to stop gambling right now.
I have 40 keys left, by the way, guys.
Are you almost
man.
done?
I'm almost done, man.
I just changed t-shirts for luck. Yeah, we're getting creative here. Mr.
Oh,
Beast in chat?
jawbreaker as well, bro. No. Battle scored again! Are you fucking kidding me? Dude, I'm actually getting fully fucked this opening.
Okay, if I do 1 per second, I think I can make it.
okay.
1 per second! PSP sitting measuring his CPS
Oh no, I got
cases
inheritance
per
field
second.
tested. Oh no.
No
Oh
way.
my god.
Just keep going, just keep it going. I got pink, a jawbreaker. Okay, lock in.
Bro,
Oh
holy shit.
my
He
God.
actually is
Ooh,
keeping
It's
mining.
catching up. So we're probably like 800 or 900 in, and we've only gotten 1 gold so far.
That is
That's,
very...
Oh my god, Kukri!
No way! No!
Slaughter!
Slaughter FN! Actually! Arrow! No way!
No way, dude.
Bro, I thought Ant-Man was gonna win for sure, but alas, the cookery slaughter. Oh
I'm checking
my
market right now.
God.
727.
727.
Wait a second. This is still winnable then.
That's true. Yeah, I gotta watch out for you guys' reds and pinks, dude.
Her got a mustache?
Ask her honest opinion about his mustache.
What's
Here, I'll
your
go
opinion
full
about his
screen.
mustache, honey?
No comment.
I finished the case of boxing, guys. I got a fucking
Really?
inheritance, second to last case. Fuck me in the ass, man. I got $400 in skins. No 1 gold, man. Fuck, man.
Okay, another pink. Put that in the pile. We need that. Minimal wear.
We're gonna have to tally it up after this, and actually, we're gonna have to bring out the calc.
Better.
The calc.
Yeah.
Baited by red again. Baited by red again. Please, God.
Just cuck me, bro. One more time.
Oh, the Zeus.
that
Yippee.
open.
Do up. Field tested Zeus for you, bro.
Okay.
Red or gold. Red or gold. Yes, we'll take a pink. That
shit.
looks factory new. Minimal wear 0.08.
Just adding onto the pile. This might
get that
actually come
cookie
down
thing.
to like the pigs.
Oh man. Up, 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 up,
No
up,
way!
up, 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 up,
No
up,
way!
up. That looks very good float.
If you take my child away from me, my baby, my kukri slaughter, we're gonna have problems.
Oh my god.
Wait, stop.
$150.
Oh my God.
Let's go.
No, do up! I love that me and Jesus and PSP were just on the sidelines, just watching. Like, oh, I hope you guys are having fun.
Red inheritance! Stat track!
No way! Dude,
That's gonna be expensive.
yeah, that's
That's
expensive.
gonna be expensive.
We're gonna
Bro,
need
wait.
a price check.
It's 120 euro.
130!
Yeah,
Ooh.
do up's in the lead for
He's gonna
sure
look
now.
down.
I'm gonna need to clutch up here.
It is heating up.
God. Jesus, look at my stream. This is what's happening right now. We are the small orange guys on the cliff.
Yeah, no. Oh, I did it. Okay, inheritance. Hope you fucking enjoy it, Joel.
Thank you so much, King. I have exactly 20 left. What are you guys looking at?
I'm at like, I think 60 or something. I guess I'm opening hella slow. Ah, motherfucker!
Or wait, 17.
Oh no! Okay. Oh, then my second red op chrome cannon. But this does not change anything. The standings are indeed the same. Well worn. Okay, fuck off. Oh my god. I don't know why. All the battles I've done recently, I've been getting shafted.
I've been getting shafted in and out of the cases.
Huh?
100 skins, guys.
yes, yes, okay,
Stop. No way.
okay. Everyone, calm down. Hold your panties.
What
Guys,
condition? What condition?
If this is factory new, I think that's the win.
Actually, yeah. If this is FN, I think you're in the lead. Honestly.
I can't look at your stream right now. I'm on my knees looking up in the sky.
Oh.
$30. Okay.
Well, gentlemen, I have 3 cases left. This shit ain't looking good. Wait, do up. How many do you have left? Like 10?
I have 1 left, King. I've been waiting for you
Oh
guys.
my god. Okay.
Yeah.
You know what to do.
Jesus. Last case. We're all on the last case now. Absolute last case. It all comes down to this. Literally, Arrow and Duop are basically tied. I have no idea who's in the lead. This case might decide it all.
3, 2, 1. Go!
Last case. Come on.
Last case.
Give it to me.
Now I'm cooked. Blue. We all got blue. Oh my god. Okay, well, let's calculate it, bro. I'm actually interested who wins.
You guys got the prices ready?
Not yet.
I'm calking right now.
Yep. Calking up.
Okay, so, I got, $565 US in Steam
Damn,
market
wait.
value.
If my calculation is correct, then I am at $411.35.
That's not bad either.
For your numbers, Arrow and Duop, I'm going to start from the right to the left. Duop has 45 cents.
Okay, he's beating me there.
First number of Duop's number is a 5.
There.
Oh.
I have-
Arrow's
Oh.
is a 3.
Oh no.
Oh.
Next number, Arrow has a 4, $43. Mr. Duop has an 8, $85. This last number is everything. Next number for Duop is a 9. Arrow has 1,000. Arrow wins. Oh my God! No way!
God.
No way!
I don't know what to say. I can't even say congrats.
I really thought Duop won.
That is so fucked.
No way! Stop the vote, bro.
Duop.
So these are the official standings. Anomaly, me, I come last. Then Jesus, then Duop, then Arrow. The difference was $50. The pinks actually pulled it back. You know that Black Lotus you got that was 30? That basically secured your win.
It's like I'm happy, but I feel bad, you know?
Okay, my chat just said
yeah.
survivor's guilt.
That was so all over the place, back and forth.
Ant-Man for the victory. Oh my
Oh, we
God.
gotta do this more often, honestly.
Yeah, this case battle
need
was
at least
actually
one.
directed by Michael Bay, bro. Like, on some, on some real shit. Well, there we go. It's now a week later, and I'm sending over all of the skins to Arrow. That's very unfortunate for me. Another case battle lost by me. But, yeah, congrats to Arrow. Maybe next time I will win. Otherwise, I'm dead. Whoop him.